everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I am incredibly excited to review an amazing product. And honestly, I have heard of them before, but as I was telling my friends that I was gonna review something from them, everybody was like, oh my God, that's pretty cool. Okay, so today I'm gonna be reviewing a few of the Ridge wallets. So you guys probably know them. I mean, seriously, if you are a cool guy these days, you have one of these. That's the reality of the situation. So I have seen them in the past. I am glad that I get to review different styles. And honestly, more than a review, I really want to give you the experience of an unboxing and the different kinds of wallets that the Ridge offers. So I am going to be showing you guys the Ridge Titanium. I actually love the colors on this one. I think it's cool. Then we're gonna review the Ridge Carbon. So this one is a carbon fiber look. And I'm gonna review the Ridge Black Damascus. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's start with the one that caught my eye, which is the Ridge Titanium. I love the colors on this one, and I wanna tell you something. This one is the Titanium Burnt style. Oops. And it comes with a sticker. Then it comes with what I think are instructions. And it says getting started. Instructions are complicated and we don't do complicated. So I guess they do not do instructions. However, it's kind of easy because they mention that all you need to do is empty your wallet, keep what you need, and toss the rest. You push out the cards using the cutout, and then you keep the two most used cards at the front. Then it comes with a torque screwdriver that allows you to make a few modifications here. So I'm gonna show you guys all the goodies here. Okay, so wallet, additional screws, and torque screwdriver. And those are the contents of the box. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little close up here so that you guys can see, and then I'm sure I'm gonna be doing like a little bit of B-roll so you can show you guys a little better. But beautifully designed. You can see kind of like this burnt titanium color. I love it. Then here is the clip. This is meant for cash. And you do get an option if you want to adjust as you need to with the torque screwdriver. Okay, so you can see that there's a little bit of a dent here, and that's how you will push your cards out so that it's easy, right? So according to this will expand to hold 1 to 12 cards. So I'm gonna show you kind of how this works. So there's a card in here that I'm just pushing out, and you can see it sliding out. Very easy, actually. You can see it's right there, and then you push it right back in. The way that this works is because there's an elastic on the side right there. So if you can see, it expands. Pretty simple and straightforward. So it has an RFID blocking, which allows, for security. It has a modular design, and it's backed by lifetime warranty. So it is a pretty cool way to organize cash and credit cards and just dump it in your pocket. I think it's pretty neat, honestly. It's literally like pulling out a card out of your pocket, but it has all your cards here. And I can see how you want to have your top two at the front, because I think the way that this works is when you push your cards, all of them are going to come out at the same time. So you are going to kind of select the first few first, and then you would have to sort of dig through the other ones. I think it's a cool design. I will show you on another one. I have a few extra cards here to see how this works, but let me actually keep on unboxing the styles I got, and then we can get to that point. Okay, so this one was the titanium. I love it. Now let's go to the carbon fiber 3X weave. I kind of like the box style. It's sort of like an Apple product box style. Kind of like that. Okay, same as before. Little sticker, instructions, and torque screwdriver, and the actual wallet with the additional screws. Damn, that looks so cool. The cool thing about this one actually is that the back of this one is a full elastic band. So I think this is what they were talking about when you can actually change the configuration of your wallet. So this one expands again to hold 1 to 12 cards, also backed by lifetime warranty, and it has a cash strap. So that's how they're calling this strap right here. So you can choose between a cash clip and a cash strap. I think that's pretty cool based on what you like. If it were me, I would probably use the clip, but again, it's preference. Same situation here. We push it through the little dent and then the card comes right out, and there you have it. So I want to try the cards on this one. So I'm going to go ahead, I leave the rich one. I'm adding my Microtech business card in there, Sam's Club card, and one of those cards you have for when you lose your keys. So there we go. So that is the way it would look with, this has now 3 cards and a card that's actually really thick, which is my tile card. So that would probably be about the width of 2 cards. So that's 5 cards right there. Okay, and now let's try to take them out. So I'm pushing and I get all my cards, right? So you can pick and choose which one you want. I think it's pretty neat. And now I can see why everybody likes them so much. Let's move forward to the last one. This one I'm actually excited about. It has a different packaging. This one is the black Damascus. Still same situation. It will hold up to 12 cards, lifetime warranty, RFID blocking, but it's black Damascus. So fancier sort of packaging here. Carry less, live more. Hey, I love that. So this one, it's Damascus Bold, 304 stainless steel, laser engraved, statement making. So I want to show you one more thing, you guys. It comes with the sticker, but this one actually comes with weight. So this one weighs 2.5 ounces, definitely heavier than the rest. And in case you need to know, it's a 86 by 54 by 6 millimeter frame. This one's definitely heavier than the titanium and the carbon fiber for a fact. I like it though. I mean, look at that design. Do you see that? That's pretty sweet. And same function. You push the card out. This one comes with the cash strap, not the clip, but it does come in its package with the clip. So this package, I'm going to show you guys, comes like that. So you get your wallet with the Torx screws, the additional screws, the Torx screwdriver, and the additional cash clip. Epic. This one I love. So it really depends, you know, if you're in for the look, then you are going to have a heavier wallet. If you actually would rather not have a heavier wallet, the other two that I got are amazing. I have seen their website. They have a lot of different styles. I have to say, I know there's a lot of carbon fiber knives out there. If it were me, and let me show you how I would do this combo here. Oh, do I have it? Yeah, I do. Okay, this is how we do this. Should have stood up, but you know what, you guys, I have like these shorts that do not match whatsoever my outfit. I did not plan this part. Oh my god, my funkles are gonna fall. Okay, so what I was saying is you have this wallet and then you have your little carbon fiber knife. How cool is that? You can really just match your EDC. I mean, how could this be any cooler, you know? So based on the knives you have, you can literally just like pick and choose. Again, amazing wallet, you guys. It looks like the quality is amazing. The packaging is beautiful. And yeah, I think that does it. So if you want to take a peek at them, I will put the link in the description of this video. As always, remember, you can follow me on social media. On Instagram, I have a YouTube channel, as you can see. And also, I have a Patreon account. So if you want to see a little more of photo shoots, cosplays, and have limited edition stickers, please go ahead and check out the link here in the description of this video. I will see you guys soon in another EDC gear review, and I hope you have an amazing day.